Welcome back, everyone. Are you tired of carrying a bulky wallet around everywhere you go? You are watching Best Product. Today, we are reviewing the top 5 best MagSafe Wallet Card Holder to help you slim down your everyday carry and keep your cards secure. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5, we have the Gitfos MagSafe Wallet Card Holder. Gitfos MagSafe Wallet Card Holder keeps your essential cards right on the back of your iPhone while staying slim, secure, and stylish. Designed for iPhone 17, 16, 15, and 14, this magnetic holder connects perfectly with MagSafe technology, giving you a strong and reliable attachment every time you snap it on. The magnetic connection is solid and dependable. Thanks to its high-quality magnetic material, your cards and phone stay firmly in place without slipping. You do not need any extra tools or sticky adhesives. Just align it with your phone and it clicks into position. It feels secure in your hand and gives you confidence when you are on the move. One of the best things about the Gitfos MagSafe Wallet Card Holder is how light it is. Weighing only 0.080 kilograms, it adds almost no extra weight to your phone. The slim and compact design means it slides easily into your pocket or bag without creating bulk. It fits naturally into your daily routine, whether you are heading to work, traveling, or just running errands. Style also matters, and Gitfos gives you plenty of options. You can choose from gray, purple, black, dark blue, green, or khaki. These color choices make it easy to match your phone or show off your personal style. It is not just practical, it also looks clean and modern. The compact package size of 15 by 13 by 3 centimeters makes it easy to store or carry when needed. It does not take up much space on your desk, in your drawer, or in your travel bag. Everything about it is designed to be convenient and portable. Safety is another strong point. The Gitfos MagSafe Wallet Card Holder is made without high-concerned chemicals, so it is safe for daily use. The leather construction feels smooth and durable, giving you a premium touch while meeting safety standards for everyday accessories. With secure magnetic strength, lightweight design, stylish colors, and safe materials, the Gitfos MagSafe Wallet Card Holder is a simple yet smart upgrade for your iPhone setup. Next, at number 4, is the ESR MagSafe Wallet Card Holder. ESR MagSafe Wallet Card Holder gives you a secure and stylish way to carry your essential cards right on your phone. It is designed to work smoothly with iPhone 17e, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, and 12 models, and it is also compatible with Samsung phones, making it a versatile choice for different users and devices. The magnetic design is strong and reliable. Once you snap it onto your phone, it stays firmly in place without slipping or shifting around. This makes it easy to pull your phone out of your pocket or bag without worrying about the wallet coming loose. At the same time, you can quickly remove it whenever you need to. It feels stable yet convenient. One of the standout features of the ESR MagSafe Wallet Card Holder is its built-in RFID blocking protection. This feature helps protect your cards from unauthorized scanning. Your credit card and personal information stay safe, especially in crowded places like public transport, shopping malls, or airports. It adds an extra layer of peace of mind to your everyday carry. Style is another big plus here. ESR offers a wide range of color options including a black, a brown, a carbon fiber, a pink, B black, B blue, B brown, B carbon fiber, C black, C brown, and C dark blue. Whether you prefer a classic and professional look or something more bold and modern, there is a color that fits your taste. The compact size of 12 by 7 by 3 centimeters makes it easy to slip into your pocket or bag. Weighing just 0.130 kilograms, it feels light and comfortable to carry throughout the day. It does not add unnecessary bulk to your phone, which is important for daily use. Made from high-quality plastic material, the ESR MagSafe Wallet Card Holder offers a sturdy and durable build. It is lightweight but strong enough to handle regular use without wearing out quickly. The finish feels smooth and clean, giving it a modern and practical look that pairs nicely with both iPhone and Samsung devices. Coming in at number 3, we have the Olge MagSafe Wallet Card Holder. Olge MagSafe Wallet Card Holder gives you more than just a place to store your cards. It combines a strong magnetic wallet with a built-in portrait stand, making your phone more useful throughout the day. The powerful magnetic design allows the card holder and phone case to attach firmly together. Once connected, it feels stable and secure. You can carry your phone with confidence, knowing the wallet stays in place. The magnetic connection is smooth and easy to use, so attaching and removing it only takes a second. What really makes the Olge MagSafe Wallet Card Holder stand out is its two-in-one function. It works as a strong magnetic card bag and also as a practical phone stand. This means you can keep your essential cards close while also enjoying hands-free viewing whenever you need it. It is simple, clean, and very convenient. The built-in portrait stand supports an adjustable angle with a maximum tilt of 135 degrees. This gives you flexibility to set your phone at a comfortable position. Whether you are browsing short-form mobile videos, scrolling through social media, or on a video call, you can adjust the angle to match your viewing style. It helps reduce the need to hold your phone for long periods, which is especially useful during extended use. The design feels compact and modern, so it does not add unnecessary bulk to your device. You still get a slim profile while enjoying extra functionality. The stand folds neatly back into place when not in use, keeping the look clean and minimal. With its strong magnetic attachment, adjustable 135-degree support angle, and smart two-in-one design, the Olge MagSafe Wallet Card Holder adds both convenience and versatility to your everyday phone setup. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Fleiie Shann MagSafe Wallet Card Holder. Fleiie Shann MagSafe Wallet Card Holder combines a magnetic wallet case with smart organization so you can carry your essentials in one clean and practical setup. It connects magnetically to your compatible phone, giving you a secure attachment that feels stable in your hand and easy to remove when needed. This magnetic wallet case is designed for real everyday use. It features 5 card slots, giving you space for your credit cards, debit cards, Idaho, or Access cards. Everything stays neatly arranged, so you do not have to dig around to find what you need. The layout makes it simple to grab a card quickly when you are paying or checking in somewhere. In addition to the card slots, there is one large bill compartment that adds extra convenience. This separate billfold area is perfect for keeping cash, receipts, or other small paper items organized. Instead of folding your money into tight spaces, you can store it flat and tidy. It keeps your daily carry cleaner and more structured. Security is also a key feature of the Fleiie Shann MagSafe Wallet Card Holder. The card slots include RFID blocking protection with internal metal material that helps block unwanted data transfer. This means your electronic data is better protected from unauthorized scanning. When you are traveling, commuting, or shopping in busy areas, this added protection gives you extra peace of mind. The overall design feels practical and well thought out. You get strong magnetic attachment, multiple card slots, a spacious cash compartment, and built-in RFID blocking all in one compact wallet case. The Fleiie Shann MagSafe Wallet Card Holder makes it easy to carry your cards and cash securely while keeping everything organized and within reach. And finally, our top pick for the ESR Geo MagSafe Wallet Card Holder. ESR Geo MagSafe Wallet Card Holder gives you a slim and powerful way to carry your cards and cash without adding bulk to your phone. Designed for iPhone 16, 15, 14, 13, and 12 series, except the iPhone 13 and 12 mini, it works perfectly with MagSafe-compatible devices or cases for a clean and secure fit. This minimalist wallet holds up to 5 cards, or 4 cards and 3 banknotes, so you have the flexibility you need for daily life, work, or travel. Despite the upgraded capacity, it still keeps a slim profile that slides easily into your pocket. The built-in dynamic tension spring keeps everything snug inside, even if you are carrying just one card. Nothing feels loose or shaky. One of the biggest highlights is the strong magnetic hold. With 20 N52 magnets delivering 3,200 grams of holding force, it is 4 times stronger than the official MagSafe wallet. That means precise alignment and a secure attachment every time you snap it onto your phone. It stays firmly in place whether you are walking, commuting, or pulling your phone out of your pocket. Accessing your cards is quick and simple. The specially designed 20mm slot at the bottom lets you push your cards out smoothly when you are ready to tap or pay. No struggling or bending your cards, just a clean and easy motion. ESR also focuses on safety and style. The wallet is made from vegan leather that feels soft yet durable, giving it a modern and premium look. Inside, a special protective lining helps safeguard your cards against demagnetization so your data stays secure. With two well-designed compartments, it keeps your cards organized while maintaining comfort and reliability in everyday use. That wraps up our guide to the ultimate minimalist phone accessories. If you found the perfect match for your everyday carry, be sure to check the price link in the description for the best deals. Please like and subscribe to Best Product for more awesome tech and accessory reviews. See you in the next video.